everybody, it's Holly from Baby Gizmo. Now there's been a change in our family lately, and that is that my youngest Sutton, who's 13 years old, is going to be gluten-free. Now it doesn't sound like a big deal, but it's a big deal to us because we have never had any food allergies. But as you know, Sutton has alopecia, and we are going to try gluten-free with him to see if it will spark any new hair growth. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't, but we're gonna try. Which means I'm gonna be cooking more so that I can make sure he is eating 100% gluten-free. Now what does that mean? That means I'm gonna be in the kitchen more, and my pots and pans really weren't up to the task. Let me show you. This is one of my old ones. Now, as you can see, the bottom is not non-stick anymore. I make a lot of eggs, so instead of like sugar cereals in the morning, he's going to either eat gluten-free cereals, or we're gonna make him eggs and omelets and things like that. But these pans, like this one, not up for the challenge, I can tell you that. So, Greenlife wants us to try their pots and pans, and I am so excited that I'm going to unbox the 16-piece pots and pans set with you guys today, just to show you what we are going to be working with. Now, I'm going to do a follow-up video with this later down the line when I've used the pots and pans for weeks and weeks and weeks so that I can tell you more about it, but I just want to tell you a little bit more about Greenlife. Now, first of all, they are healthy ceramic pots and pans. Now, as you can see, now you're gonna see, well, you can't see yet, but they have glass lids so I can see what's cooking without having to lift the lid, which is great. And look at the yellow, that's right. I have yellow pots and pans. I love it. I chose the yellow. There are all kinds of different colors that, from pinks and greens and blues, I'm telling you, so many. It's gonna really brighten up my kitchen. And let's get a pot out here. It's yellow. I don't know, yellow just makes me happy. It's like the sun. So this is the yellow little saucepan. Now let's talk a little bit about, here's the Greenlife little caring use, it gives you that. Okay, so how they make these ceramic, it's healthy ceramic nonstick, and it starts with sand, like the beach sand, which means it doesn't have any PFASs or PFOAs. I don't even know what that means. All I know is it's not gonna release toxins into my food. And because the ceramic nonstick starts with sand, it emits 60% less CO2 emissions than regular coating. So these are healthy pots and pans, and they're nonstick, and I love them. They have these comfy handles. Look at the yellow handles, so I can grab the pan. Okay, let's get into this box. Let's see what else we have in here. The 16 set comes with that, and it's not super expensive, guys. So definitely, and the sets they ship free right now. Like I'm saying, you're not gonna be spending hundreds and hundreds of dollars on these. Definitely budget friendly. There is a little saucepan, yellow. What else do we have? Oh, and it comes with two. Well, it comes with more utensils than this, but here's two of them. I got a spatula, and I've got a little spoon here. So that's two of the utensils. Here is another lid. Love it. And we've got a bigger saucepan. Now, or this isn't a saucepan, it's a frying pan. This one's a frying pan too. So this is where my eggs are gonna go in. This is also where my eggs are gonna go in. And vegetables, we eat a lot of vegetables at night, a lot of vegetable stir fry, things like that. So as you can see, look at how pretty that yellow is. So I have two different size skillets. Here's my other saucepan. I just keep calling everything saucepans. It's not. Here is another lid. Look at how cute. I love it. This one fits here. Love it. Here's my bigger saucepan. This is gonna be for the gluten-free mac and cheese that I'm making him because he likes a lot of traditional kid food. So definitely this is gonna be the gluten-free pasta and things like that. Oh, more utensils. Yes, I needed more utensils. Okay, so we have a flipper, another one, and they all have those really fun yellow handles. And we have another lid that goes with, not that one. I haven't gotten to that one yet. How about that? I like to call my pasta pot. This is where, when I make pasta for the entire family, there's that one. There's that one. There you go. So like I said, it's healthy ceramic. Let me get this out. Healthy ceramic because toxins are not going into my food, and it's gonna be non-stick, because look at how sticky this one's gonna be. I have to like scrape things on that. It's not good. another vegetable. I make a lot of vegetables, so this one is gonna be great, which that fits there. Okay, the last thing in the box was this 4-inch fry pan. I love this. This is great for like an egg in the morning. So fun. So here's what came with the 16 set. We have a 4-inch fry pan, a 7-inch fry pan with a lid, a 9.5-inch fry pan. Love it. All of these have those great grips on the handles. We have a stainless steel steamer, which I love. Great for vegetables. I have a 1-quart saucepan, a 2-quart saucepan. I have a 2.5-quart saucepan with the lid. And I have a 5-quart pot for my pasta that comes also with the lid. Really, really great. And I have 4 kitchen utensils that match the set. We have a spoon, 2 types of spatulas, and another slotted spoon. So I'm really excited about this set. Not only is it gorgeous, but it's healthy ceramic. Like I said, it starts with sand. It doesn't have all those toxins that are gonna release into my food. If we're gonna feed him gluten-free, I don't wanna be giving him extra toxins. I mean, let's be serious about this. Plus, it's gorgeous. It comes with, it comes in all these different fun colors. I happen to pick the yellow. It's called Greenlife. It's so great. I just, I'm so excited to really get started with this. Like I said, I'm going to do a follow-up video weeks down the road of how it's working for us, but I did want to give you just kind of the out-of-the-box look at this set. So that's it, guys. I will put a link in the description below if you want to check out Greenlife. And that's it. Please subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. Bye, guys.